You're gonna want this juicy, fall off the bone beef ribs recipe at your next cookout. Trust me, shawty. I found a slab of beef back ribs at my butcher shop. So I went ahead and dried them off with a paper towel, gave them a flip so that bone side is exposed, hit it with a little olive oil, and then for flavor, I'm using that Texas steak rub, shawty. All the flavor you need for some delicious beef ribs like this. Get it from UncleDibbz.com. Do the same thing to the top side, and then we're gonna add half a cup of apple cider vinegar to the bacon sheet. That's gonna keep these ribs nice and moist so that they're juicy and tender when we're all done. Throw these in the oven at 275 for 2.5 hours. Trust me. After 2.5 hours, remove that foil and then go ahead and grab your favorite barbecue sauce and slab them ribs up. Now notice the technique here. I'm not brushing the barbecue sauce on the ribs. I'm dabbing that sauce on. So go ahead and get your dab on. Turn your oven up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit and then let them bake uncovered for 15 minutes. That sauce is going to get nice and sticky and caramelized like this. And then like that, you got beef back, fall off the bone ribs. I didn't even need a knife, but look how tender these things are, shawty. Some say fall off the bone is overcooked. I just say it's bussin'. Full recipe is available on my site, link in bio.
That's good, shawty.